Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to my first English class. I hope you are well by the grace of Allah under such a crisis situation of coronavirus. I suggest you to stay at home as much as possible and use mask whenever you will go out. So after a long time, you know that due to the coronavirus, all the educational institutions are closed. So today I am here with a topic. Already you have learned many grammatical items. From them, I would like to teach you today the narration. It is known to you. So first, I want to explain what is narration, the origin of narration, and how many kinds of narration. So first, I will teach you the word narration. Narration, it is noun. Its verb is narrate অর্থাৎ বর্ণনা করা, and adjective form of narration is narrative বর্ণনামূলক. Narration, the word comes from the Latin word narratio. অর্থাৎ narration শব্দটি Latin word narratio থেকে উৎপত্তি হয়েছে. So, dear student, you came to know what is narration and what is the origin of narration. Now, we know the classification of narration. There are two kinds of narration. One is direct or direct, another is indirect. Now, we know what is direct narration. The actual words of a speaker is called direct, and now indirect. Actual words of the speaker are transformed, then it is called indirect. I think you are able to understand what is direct narration and what is indirect narration. So, dear students, if you want to change the narrative style, you must know the three things that I have already written here. Three things to be remembered. Number one is basic rules, and number two, sentence narration. Third is passage narration. So I think it is clear to you. Now I am going to erase the board. At first, I would like to discuss about basic narration rules. Basic rules. What are the basic rules? There are 6 points to be remembered from basic rules. One is reporting verb. Reporting verb and reported speech. Number one, reporting verb and reported speech. So you should know what is reporting verb and what is reported speech. I am going to give an example here. He said, I am ill. Look at the board. I have written a sentence. He said, I am ill. Here there are two parts or two sentences. One is he said, another is I am ill. He said অর্থাৎ সে বলল আমি অসুস্থ। এখানে he said কথাটি আছে অর্থাৎ he said is a reporting verb. I have been is reported speech. You must watch this class carefully and write down basic rules. So reported, I think it is clear to you what is reporting verb and what is reported speech. And if I speak in Bangla, that is যেটা ইনভার্টেড কমার ভিতরে থাকবে এটা হচ্ছে রিপোর্টেড স্পিচ, আর হি সে রিমেম্বার অর্থাৎ এটা হলো কি রিপোর্টিং ভার্ব। দেন টেন্স 2 number 2 changing tense. I think you have already learned about tense. I am going to teach you today in simple way how can you transfer the tense. Write down am, is, are. Instead of am, is, are, you should use was, were. Was, were, had been, have, has, had. Verb 1 verb 2 plus had plus V3. Now another verb 2 had plus V3 don't or doesn't, so didn't, have, hadn't plus V3. Modals can, could, may, might, shall, will, would, must, have to. These are the changing of tense. You must learn by heart carefully. 2. Number 3 of the basic rules. Thus I am now discussing the basic rules. Remember it. Changing of person. Changing of person. Changing of person. First person regard to subject. Second person object. Third person or no sense. No sense. You also learn by heart these 3 things. First person, we know I and you. I and you. Second person, you. And rest of the third person. So now we learn changing of person. If I want to give example, I think it will be easy to you. Changing of person. he said, I am ill. Already I have given this example at first. Now I am going to change it from direct to indirect. Here he said, reporting verb, instead of comma that I used connector that. Now here you should look it deeply. Inverted comma, inside the inverted comma, what person is it? It is I. So I, first person. I, first person. So first person should subject. First person, if I speak Bangla, it will be clear to you. ইনভার্টেড কমার ভিতরে তোমাদেরকে দেখতে হবে কোন পারসন দিয়ে শুরু হয়েছে, ফার্স্ট পারসন আর সেকেন্ড পারসন। এখানে আমরা ইফ উইল লুক হিয়ার দ্য সেন্টেন্স বিগিনস উইথ আই, সো ইট ইজ ফার্স্ট পারসন। সো ফার্স্ট পারসন শোন আমি অলরেডি তোমার রিটেন রুলস সাবজেক্ট। তো সাবজেক্ট হিয়ার কোন সাবজেক্ট? এখানে রিপোর্টিং ভার্বের যে সাবজেক্ট আছে সেটা ফলো করো। তো রিপোর্টিং ভার্বের সাবজেক্ট কে আছে? হি। আমার এখানে সেই হি বসাই দিলাম। নাও অলরেডি আই হ্যাভ রিটেন দ্য চেঞ্জিং অফ টেন্স। চেঞ্জিং অফ টেন্স অ্যাম ইজ আর সমান আমি বলেছিলাম অ্যাম ইজ আর বা লিখেছিলাম অ্যাম ইজ আর সমান ওয়াজ হয়। সো হিয়ার ইজ অ্যাম। সো ইনস্টেড অফ অ্যাম I think use was, and also am এর পরে আছে if. That is the changing of person, first person should subject. Clear? I think it is clear to you. Number 2, he said to me, I go to, I do not, but I don't tell a lie. Inverted comma. So it is another example of rule number 2, second person শুনশন object. এই রুলটা আমি তোমাদেরকে I am going to make you understand. So he told me, or say to বলতে told বসানো যাবে অথবা say to দুটাই বসানো যাবে। me, instead of comma we should use connector that. Sorry, here I should write you, second person. So here you should look what person is it. It is, in the first example I have written I, but here I have written you. So there is difference in person. In the case of person, I first person, you second person. So you second person should second person should be object. So কোন object, which object should be followed? You should know this. Reporting verb is object আছে। Reporting verb এর object এখানে here it is the object of reporting verb me. So me, you second person follow করবে object. So object কি আছে? me. তো একটা যেহেতু সেন্টেন্স শুরু হচ্ছে সেখানে সেন্টেন্স নেভার বিগিনস উইথ অবজেক্টিভ ফর্ম। সো me এর আমাদেরকে আসতে হবে সাবজেক্টিভ ফর্ম। তাহলে me এর সাবজেক্টিভ ফর্ম কি? I. আর do not, does not এর পরিবর্তে instead of do not or does not I have already written that is instead of does not or do not you should use didn't. So don't, here don't হয়ে যাবে কি? didn't. Rest of the no sense of the rest of the words, অর্থাৎ পরবর্তী আর ওয়ার্ডের কোনো সেন্স নাই। So I have written two examples on first person subject, second person object. Now it is third person. how can we change the third person? I am going to give another example. Mita said to him, he will help. সে সাহায্য করবে। I have written here, Mita said to him, he will help. Right? So how can we transform this into indirect? So reporting verb, Mita said to him, instead of comma, that. Now what is remembered by you? That is, you should look inside the inverted comma. Which subject is there? Here he is the third person. Third person you already we have learned. Third person no sense. অর্থাৎ থার্ড পারসন কোনো পরিবর্তন হবে না। The third person is here, it is he. So you should use he without changing. And changing of tense, will, instead of will, you should use would. And no আর কোনো সেন্স হবে না। অর্থাৎ only for subject and will এর পরিবর্তে who. That is the changing of person. And before this we have learned also changing of tense. Dear student, another point you have to learn, that is the structure of sentence. According to the meaning, you know there are 5 kinds of sentence: assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative, exclamatory. So I think it will be clear if I discuss it in my next class. So thank you dear student, no more today. I believe you will stay at home as much as possible.